Good morning, my name's Jack and welcome back to another Rush Gang fishing episode. Drone fishing this morning, we're using the Aeroo Pro. Going to be dropping baits out 300-400 odd metres. I'll show you what baits and rods we're running and then let's get a bait out there. This morning I'll be running the Assassin Vector drone rod. Big slab of yellowfin whiting on there. The Pen Fathom reel. The plan is to hopefully get onto a couple of big snapper this morning. That's the goal anyway. I'll quickly show you what Angus is running. He's got the Assassin Surfmaster 10,000 size Saragossa with a big dirty chunk of mullet. Sun's just coming up now. We'll get the drone up, get the baits out. There we go, first drop of the morning. Dirty slab of mullet for Angus. Coming up 300, 310. Spot I marked was about 330, so I want to go just past it. That's 350. Yeah. Back comes the drone. So your first bait's in the water. Big slab of mullet out at about 330. Get the drone in and then we'll get my bait out there. There you go, there's the first bait out. I'll get mine out now. Little Aeroo getting it done. Woo, woo, woo. Just like that, we've got a bait each out in the water. I've got the chunky yellowfin whiting. Angus has got the mullet. We're both around that 330, 340 metre mark. There's a bit of a reef's edge there. We're just dropping in front of that. Fingers crossed there's a couple of snapper around this morning or just anything. I'm just keen to lose some line. It's been ages since I've been drone fishing, so just keen to hook into a fish really. There's not really much else to do right now. Sit back, relax, enjoy the sunrise. Just wait till we hear a rod scream. Yeah, I'm on here. Oh, please be on. My rod just buckled. I'll get that drag clicker off because you guys get mad at me. Yeah. Yeah, bro, I'm on. Can you get me the gimbal? All right, we're on. First bait of the morning.
That first hit was good, man.
Hopefully the camera picked up the first hit. I really hope I'm not in a snag here. Oh no. Beautiful. This is how you like to start a morning. I think it's a good one, eh? Too. Incoming tide this morning, so a few things were looking pretty good. Well, we put up the effort, got up at 3 AM, made our way down the coast here. Hopefully we'll finish drop fish here. Because I'm running the Aeroo, I've saved that drop point. My next bait's going to go directly where my bait went then. Hopefully there's a couple of fish sat there. Wow, that was probably out for about I don't know, 10 minutes. This warms you up, hey? I'm bugging already. We're nearly in. Don't tell me it's a bloody stingray. Oh, I thought that was it a shark?
It's a shark.
Oh, that's pretty cool. It's not a snapper, but it's a shark. I'm pretty happy with that. There you go, nice little shark. Not quite the snapper I wanted. Not quite the snapper I thought I had, but I'll take it. That's pretty cool. We're actually going to release him. We're pretty hopeful we can get a snapper on here. Perfect eating size shark, but yeah, I can't be bothered dealing with him. Well, let's get him back. As I said, I probably should keep him for a feed. I can't be bothered. They blunt your knives. See ya, bud. Off he goes. Cool. Not the snapper I wanted, but I'm pretty happy with that. As I said, it's been ages since I've drone fished, so it's just good to get the rod bent again. I'll rebait up and then we'll send it back out. I hate to be the guy that bangs on about certain products and whatnot, but these Aeroo drones truly are amazing. I'll put a link to these in the comment section so you can check them out if you want to. Easily the best fishing drone I've ever owned, and one of the most affordable ones on the market, so they're well worth checking out. I'll chuck a link in the comment section, but yeah, they're pretty wicked bits of kit. Since I caught the shark on that drop, I'm going to drop to the same spot again. So I've just put in my drop point, hit go, and the drone takes over. I don't have to do anything here, it's just going to race out straight to my spot. Just racing out to the mark now. It'll get there and then I'll just drop the bait and return to home. Simple. Hopefully it's a snapper this time and not another shark. I love this, eh? So good.
Easy.
Just easy. It's nearly there.
Will it drop it?
So no, it gets to it, it'll slow down. And then you drop. Drop and save. Release payload. Cool, back she comes. No action on Angus's first bait. We've just rebaited, flew that out. The drone's just coming back home now. There she is, if you can see that. And down she comes. Yes, Angus's rod just buckled. Come on. Yes. I'll get you this gimbal. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. I think this could be our pinky. Whenever you use that rod, man. The Surf Master. Big head shakes. You getting head shakes?
Yeah, I just had one there.
It's not massive, is it?
Oh, that's better.
Yeah. Big head shakes. It's coming in pretty quick, this fish, but I reckon it's a snapper. As long as it's at least 50 centimetres, we're absolutely stoked here. We'll have one more drop if he doesn't land this, but I'm absolutely itching for a coffee, so if this is a keeper, I might call it. What have we got here?
Doesn't feel like it's got light enough.
I don't think there's a fish on here. I think he's just lost it in the surf there. Oh! What? I have no idea what's happened there. That's come off right in the surf there. It was only just out there and it's giving a big head shake, so... Oh, that sucks, man. It's right there. I've just dropped my last bait. We're putting Angus's last bait out now. Spewing, he dropped that snapper. That was right by the beach there. Last drop each. Slowly start packing up, but hopefully we can get one more fish on. It's coming up to your location there. You ready? Done. Back she comes. Lucky last drops. As I just said, spewing, we dropped that last fish. I dare say that would have been a legal snap. Had good head shakes and that. I literally pulled hooks on it right there. Both got our last baits in now. We'll start packing up. Let these sit for up to an hour. And yeah, no, it's been a good morning either way though, but hopefully one more fish. Oh dear, this has just been smashed. Don't go too hard because that might be a shark. Whoa, I hope I got some of that on camera.
Me stuck in it.
Man, you fully stacked. Angus has just run into the rod and just stacked it in the sand. Oh, last drop, man. Surely this one. If that's a snapper though, that is very large. I'll go grab you the belt, yeah. Oh. Oh. I'll get the belt. As you can see, we're all packed up. This is the last drop. And yeah, you've only got 60 pounds, so don't go too psycho on this thing. It's pretty big. Snapper, or is it too big? Oh, no. It could be snapper. Or is it big shark or big ray? At least you got action on the last drop as well.
It was a bit of a shake.
Yeah, if you land a sambo, I'm going to be so jealous, eh? If I could get anything off the beach, it'd be a sambo. Hopefully we land this one. Hopefully. I think it's pretty big. If it's a pinky, it's 80 plus, I reckon.
Oh, it's bigger than the last one I caught.
Yeah. This is a really big fish, I think. Just crossing our fingers it's not a stingray. It's hard, eh? Drone fishing's hard work, man.
Some parts of it like that. Right now it's fine.
Yeah. You don't actually have that much line still out. Hopefully this one stays on. I really hope I got his stack on the camera too. The rod went off and ran to the rod and Angus just stacked it in the sand.
Phone was still in hand. So
oh, what's that? Phone's full of sand. If it's a pinky, it's worth it. Please don't be a stingray. You're very close, eh?
Yeah. Where's your line? Straight round face here?
Where's your line? I think I just seen a fin. Oh, it's a stingray! After all of that. Mr. Eagle. Oh well, I've still got a bait out. And here he is, Mr. Eagle Ray. Damn you. We'll get him back. See you, buddy. Oh, that wraps up this episode. Shame that Angus's one was a stingray. I'm about to wind mine in now. It's been almost an hour now, nothing's touched it, so that's it. Shame we couldn't get the snapper, but we had our fun. Got the shark, lost what we think was a snapper, got a stingray, so not a bad morning on the beach at all. If you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.